Hello, my name is Bryan Aries Carilla. I'm here to discuss the different kinds of rocks. Rocks is a naturally called mixture of one or more minerals or organic matter. Rocks are classified by how they are formed, their composition, and texture. Rocks change over time through rock cycle, a large mass of stone forming a cliff, promontory, or peak, or concentrated mass of stony materials, broken pieces of such masses. The three major groups of rocks are defined: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. This is igneous rocks formed when hot liquid rock cools and becomes hard, and by solidification of magma relating to resulting from or suggestive of the intrusion or extrusion of magma or volcanic activity. The first example of igneous rocks is mafic. This is the mafic. The term mafic is derived from the combination of magnesium and ferric. Ferric is from the Latin word for iron. Mafic was originally reserved to describe minerals that have a high percentage of iron and magnesium. However, the term is now commonly used to both describe igneous rocks that contain a high percentage of mafic, minerals and magmas that will eventually crystallize a high percentage of mafic minerals. Remember that igneous rocks are those that are formed from cooled magma. The second example is felsic. In geology, felsic refers to igneous rocks that are relatively rich in elements that form feldspar and quartz. It is contrasted with mafic rocks, which are relatively richer in magnesium and iron. It refers to those rocks rich in silicate materials, magma, and rocks which are enriched in the lighter elements such as silicon, oxygen, aluminum, sodium, and potassium. They are usually light in color and have specific gravities less than 3. The most common felsic rock is granite. The third example is granite. Fine grain. Texture generally indicate magmas that rapidly cools at or near the Earth's surface. Fast cooling prevents crystals from growing very large. The cut-off between fine and coarse grain textures is about 1 millimeter, all 4 photos below, or the mafic rock basalt. The fourth example is coarse grain. This is the coarse grain. Varieties with minerals grains large enough to see without a magnifying glass are called phaneretic. Granite and gabbro are examples of phaneretic igneous rocks. Fine grained rocks, where the individual grains are too small to see, are called epiphanetic. Basalt is an example. Now, metamorphic rocks. A change in the constitution of rocks, especially a pronounced change affected by pressure, heat, and water, that results in a more compact and more highly crystalline condition, and then it changes with temperature and pressure but remains solid. Sedimentary rocks are made of particles of sediments such as sand and clay, or the skeletons and shells of sea creatures. Thank you for watching.